Struggling to make eye-catching YouTube thumbnails? What if you could make them in seconds with AI? Welcome to part 2 of our series exploring the best AI tools to skyrocket your YouTube channel. In this episode, we'll dive into the top 3 AI tools for creating viral YouTube thumbnails. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out, these tools will help you create professional-looking thumbnails without spending hours in front of Photoshop or needing any design skills. First, let's take a look at some stats. 73% of viewers say they watch videos based on thumbnail alone. A study by Envato found that vertical thumbnails get 50% more views. And according to VDeek, the average number of views per 1,000 subscribers for top channels is 1,000 views. That means millions of channels are getting thousands of views with their thumbnails. If you're not already creating attention-grabbing thumbnails, you're missing out on potential views and subscribers. But fear not, we've got you covered. In this video, we're going to explore 3 AI thumbnail makers that will save you time, boost your views, and help you stand out from the competition. Why use AI thumbnails? Now you might be wondering, why should I use AI to make my thumbnails? Well, here's why. AI thumbnail tools use smart algorithms to craft professional-looking images with minimal effort on your part. They take your ideas and turn them into reality, even if you have no design experience. With just a few clicks, you can have a stunning thumbnail that's optimized for views and engagement. And it doesn't stop there. These tools offer advanced features like background removal, smart prompts, and auto-enhancement, making your life even easier. Take a look at this side-by-side comparison. On the left, we have a generic dull thumbnail that's uninspiring and doesn't stand out. On the right, we have an AI-generated thumbnail that's vibrant, engaging, and sure to catch viewers' attention. Can you guess how long it took to create the thumbnail on the right? Just a few seconds. And the best part, it's completely free. Here's a quick demonstration. This is what a non-designer saw when they clicked generate, and this is the thumbnail that appeared. Let's dive deeper into our top 3 picks. First up is Glif.Ai, a flexible platform of mini AI apps. Glyphs for images and chat. We'll use a YouTube thumbnail glyph to create a thumbnail. Here's how it works. First, navigate to the website and sign in or continue as a guest. Next, find the YouTube thumbnail maker glyph and click on it. You'll be taken to a new page where you can enter your prompt. For this example, we'll type a tech guru excitedly pointing at a rocket launching from his laptop. Click generate and wait a few seconds as the AI crafts your image. Voila! You now have a unique thumbnail that you can use on YouTube. And Glif offers deep customization. You can remix the result or attach LoRa models for specific styles. To do this, click on More Options, choose a LoRa model, and generate a new image based on the original thumbnail. This allows you to experiment with different styles until you find the perfect one for your brand. Glif is very powerful but can have a bit of a learning curve. It's ideal if you want precise style control thanks to Remix, LoRa. Expect generation times on the order of seconds for simple scenes to a couple minutes for highly detailed ones. Pro, highly customizable Remix, LoRa. Con, more complex to use than the others. Next up is Faceswapper.Ai. Want to personalize your thumbnails with your own face? Look no further than Faceswapper.Ai. This tool allows you to replace any face in any image with your own in just a few clicks. Simply upload your face photo once and you're good to go. For example, let's say you want to make a thumbnail for your next video. Start by clicking Face Swap and uploading the thumbnail or any image you want to use. Next, upload your portrait, the face you want to insert. Finally, hit swap and wait a few seconds while the magic happens. And there you have it. Your thumbnail is ready to go. It works in about 30 seconds and just requires a small credit on the free plan. The results look natural and realistic, and you can export multiple images in bulk for just a few credits. The best part, it's completely free. There are no watermarks or credits required. So whether you're a YouTuber, podcaster, or need custom profile pictures, Faceswapper has you covered. Give it a try today. Pro, free and unlimited. Con, more limited functionality compared to Glif. Finally, let's talk about Pikzles, an end-to-end AI thumbnail generator designed specifically for YouTube. Creating viral thumbnails has never been easier. Simply click Create Thumbnail, enter a text prompt, and Pikzles will automatically generate a thumbnail based on your input. For example, let's say you want to create a thumbnail for your latest video. Enter a smiling gamer holding a phone with big 100K subscribers. Text and click generate. In just a few moments, Pikzles will return several unique thumbnails that you can choose from. Once you've selected your favorite thumbnail, you can make additional tweaks to ensure it's perfect for your needs. Use the edit feature to make changes to any aspect of the thumbnail, such as the wording, colors, or composition. Or use the redo button to generate new variations of the thumbnail. And if you want to add your own face to the thumbnail, simply click Faceswap, upload your photo, the thumbnail you want to use, and click generate. Wait a few moments and you'll have a new thumbnail with your face. This built-in Faceswap is similar to Faceswapper's. It lets you integrate your face into the thumbnail. The result can closely match your facial features. You can also use Pikzles to recreate the style of an existing thumbnail. Simply paste the URL of a YouTube video and Pikzles will analyze the thumbnail and generate a new thumbnail in the same style. This is perfect for quickly creating a thumbnail that matches the style of your other videos. So whether you're looking to create a completely new thumbnail or recreate the style of an existing one, Pikzles has you covered. Pro: very high quality outputs, easy text prompt, built-in inspiration, and Faceswap. Con: free trial is limited. Only a few watermark thumbnails per month. To summarize, Glif gives you granular control if you're creative and artistic and enjoy the experimentation. Faceswapper is quick, free, and perfect for adding your face into the mix. Pikzles offers the highest quality thumbnails and a suite of features including inspiration mode, edits, and Faceswap, but it's pricier. Personally, I use Pikzles for its speed and polish and Faceswapper for quick personal branding. Glif is great for experimenting with styles. Try them all yourself to see which one fits your workflow. Creating viral thumbnails is essential for any YouTuber looking to grow their channel and increase views. The tools are the key to unlocking your creativity and taking your channel to the next level. As always, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to stay tuned for more epic AI tips and tricks. Drop a like if you learned something new and comment below with your thoughts or questions. Thanks again and see you in the next one.